Welcome to the Monaxa tutorial video. Today, we will guide you on how to download the MT4 platform on your desktop. First, visit the Monaxa website. Scroll down and click on Platforms. This will take you to our Platforms page. Scroll down to find MT4 for desktop. Choose the directory where you want to save the MT4 application. For ease of access, we recommend selecting your Downloads folder or creating a new folder named MT4 Setup. Click Save. Once the Monaxa MT4 Setup file is downloaded, click on it to start the installation. Kindly read the end-user license agreement. Once you understand and agree, click Next. Wait for the platform to install. Click Finish when the installation is complete. Congratulations! Your MT4 is now installed. Click Next to open your account. Enter your account number and password, which you can find in your account overview on the Monaxa portal. Click Login. You're all set. Now you can trade seamlessly with Monaxa. Thank you for choosing Monaxa.